we going today?
To the show.
Yeah, and then who are we seeing today?
My cousins.
That's right! We're off to... Kitab ng labi ko. To downtown New York. Sa bandang Central Park kami ngayon pupunta.
It's not downtown, it's Manhattan.
Ay, sorry, sa Manhattan pala. No ba yan? Pupuntahan namin ang aking pinsan, and Luna will meet, as she mentioned, her cousins. Second cousins, bale. No? Tapos after namin dun, we are gonna visit some tourist sites near the area. Yun, sa Manhattan area. St. Paul's Church. St. Patrick ba? St. Paul? St. Patrick Church, parang cathedral. And then, I think, Bryant Park and Rockefeller Center. Yan! Very Christmassy. The weather is better today. Parang positive 4 ngayon. Siguro mamaya magiging positive 1.
Go.
So, okay. Why do you like riding trains?
Because I like riding too.
Yeah, is it fun to ride trains? Oh.
Trains on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Another train ride. Ganoon talaga dito, no? Palipat-lipat ka ng train until you get to your destination. From the house of JJ's tita, via train, parang 20 minutes lang andun na kami naman sa condo ng pinsan ko. Diba? Nung hindi pa kami mag-asawa ni JJ, ang nangyari noon one time in 2017, siya nandyan sa, dito sa Queens sa tita niya. Pupuntahan niya ako doon. Ako naman natutulog doon sa bahay. Doon sa bahay naman ng pinsan ko. Nung inaakit pa niya ako. Luna wasn't there yet. A long time ago. Right? Okay. What? Hiding. Let's go. Kapit na kami. So from this train stop, eto na. We are by the Central Park. Dito, lalakarin na lang namin yung condo. I think 5-7 minute walk. Doon na kami. Yes! Oh. Central Park. Okay? Yeah. Okay. The condo is right by that corner.
Plaza.
Oh, ito pala the plaza. Yan, oh. The plaza. Sa mga kung ano-anong Hollywood movies, pag sinasabing sa New York, madalas nag-shoot sila dito sa strip na to. Isang entrance ng park, Central Park, ay eto. Yung meron pa mga carriage dito nakapark eh. Hold on. Papakita lang namin kay Luna yung carriage. There, Luna, so many here pala, oh. Saan yung mga kabayo? Somewhere there. Some have horses. You see the horse? Maybe we can ride that later or tomorrow, okay?
I want to ride.
No, we have to go. Okay. So, dito lang, sa bandang to, yung condo ni ate, mga dyan, big building. Oh, okay, go straight. We're here.
Go.
Alright. Look at this elevator. Look at this elevator.
Tagal na pala sa unang building.
Oh, lumang kind ng elevator. Tignan nyo. Oh. Kasi one of the older buildings here. Ayun na pala, tignan mo, para kaming tanga. Para kaming tanga. Hinihintay namin, o yun. Hi! My cousin, Tita Miyuki! Dali!
Let's go.
Huh? Luna, did you have fun with your cousins? Yeah, so now we're off to see JJ's family again. Mag-iikot na kami. Anong first stop natin? St. Patrick. Okay, the church. Ano lang, parang 12-minute walk
Mama, are we,
kung saan kami.
are we going to...
The plaza. Ayan. Si ate, my cousin, yung kakapunta lang namin,
Tama kayo sa
owns the candy cart here.
Morinos.
Right by the... Oh, papakita ko sa inyo. Let's go. Come. Pero it's closed.
I wanna pull...
Baby, you gonna...
Yeah. Luna, dali. Okay, where are you? Alright. That candy cart. Pero closed sila ngayon. Yan, ito. Oh, hulaan nyo yung pangalan. Ayan. Rinos. They usually have this setup over here. Yan, may mga candy dyan. Bergdorf Goodman. Okay. Of course. Hindi na ako papasok dyan. Wala naman akong pang shopping ngayon. Aba, shopping mo naman ako.
Ikaw lang may ayaw eh.
Ano mo to? Ha?
Ikaw lang may ayaw.
Hi. Okay.
Take a picture.
Take a picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Alright. I got it. Okay, nandito na tayo sa famous Fifth Avenue. A lot of luxury brands are here. Oh, these are your friends? Friends daw ni Luna. Okay. I-meet namin yung tita ni JJ. O, tignan niyo yung malaking Louis Vuitton na store. Okay ba?
So, mabili ko sa'yo yung bag na yan.
Yung bag Grabe, oh. It's an LV store. The size of a building. Yung kanyang design.
We're gonna meet them.
Yeah, we'll be there. Okay, Prada. Ang daming tao dito sa park na to. Ano ba to? Oh, Chanel. Van Cleef. Wow, Van Cleef pala. Sana may budget, ano?
That's a big dog.
Sana may budget. Oh.
Ah, look at that big dog.
Oh, the big dog. Okay. Gary. Para. Sunod yan yung Harry Winston. Grabe. Okay. Tiffany. Trump Tower. Ano ba yan? Dark plum pala yung Harry Winston. Kala ko yung store nila. Okay. Oh, pero I think it is. Oh, nire-renovate pala. Okay. YSL. Dolce & Gabbana. Oh, ano bang gusto mo dyan?
Wala. Pang ano lang ako. Pasyo.
Yeah. St. Patrick Cathedral. Okay. There you go. Okay, we're gonna cross now. Yes, darling.
Can I have that balloon?
We'll find it.
We'll buy one.
We'll find it outside, okay? Nagpunta rin kami dito ni JJ noong 2017.
Pinagdasal mo, naligawan kita. Natupad naman.
Kapal na ito.
Where's my magic pen?
It's in my bag, baby. Ang daming tao. It's really tourist season dahil nga holiday break, yung mga estudyante. So many families
Luna, where are
are coming to New York, like us. Okay, so right outside the church, ibang gate, eto na, nasa Rockefeller Center na kami. Okay. Saan nangyagaling yung music? Hindi ko na alam. Ang daming tao.
Ingatan mo kasi maraming pickpocket.
Okay, ingatan ko daw bag ko, sabi ng tita ko. Oo nga naman. You'll never know.
Baby, don't be painful.
Baka may mag-snatch ng cellphone ko dito, meron kaya? Ayan, may live show pala yata sa Saks.
Look at this! Look at this! Close your eyes! Close your eyes! We're coming! We're coming! Look at that! Look!
And it's the Rockefeller Christmas tree. Oh, it's beautiful. Look,
Taylor Swift.
huh?
I hear Taylor Swift.
You hear Taylor Swift? There. Kita nyo tong line? There's a line heading to NBC Studios. So, hindi ko alam for what show. Kung may show or may sikat na guest, hindi namin alam. Ayan, yung mga sikat na media companies based here. NBC. Tapos, ito yung Radio City Music Hall.
Everybody clap! Let's go! It's a party now!
You want one too, Nicole?
Where are we?
Times Square.
Times Square. All right. Look at this. Okay. Sobrang daming tao guys. Saka sobrang lamig na ngayon. Kailangan na namin magpadali umuwi bago kami manigas. Kita nyo, no? Okay. Luna! Wave! Say hi! Oh! Okay. Ryan Seacrest! Over there! Ryan Seacrest. Oh, ano to? Audition tuloy. Rehearsing for the New Year's Eve countdown. Okay. Okay, back to the train station. Lumalamig na guys, hindi na kami yung Bryant Park. Because it's getting too cold. Time to have dinner.
Okay, where's
Okay,
my
let's go, let's go.
I call them the fish.
7 train to 34th Street, Hudson Yards. Unfortunately,
That was easy. Oh my god.